We have all watched those sci-fi alien movies where they destroy our planet. What if I told you they really exist? Imagine people, just like us, living in a distant galaxy billions of light years away. Well, one can only imagine, but not anymore. A chime radio telescope has made a jaw-dropping discovery. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk you all through an amazing discovery made by the chime telescope, which will make you wonder about your existence in this big world. So make sure to sit back and stick with me till the end of the video so that you don't miss anything. Now, without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. A strange and persistent radio signal was received from deep in outer space recently, and we cannot help wondering if it's a sign of life. Of course, if we think deeply, we always end up believing that we are not alone in this universe. There are billions of galaxies, and how come only Earth got the chance to be habitable? And our thirst for finding the signs of life has made us come a long way. The chime telescope recently discovered fast radio bursts with the origin unknown. Now, before we dig deeper into the recent discovery, let's talk about what fast radio bursts are and what the chime telescope has to do with it. To catch sight of a fast radio burst is to be extremely lucky in where and when you point your radio dish. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs, are oddly bright flashes of light, registering in the radio band of the electromagnetic spectrum, that blaze for a few milliseconds before vanishing without a trace. And they were discovered for the first time in the year 2007 by Duncan Lorimer and David Narkovic. And up until now, around 100 bursts have been discovered. Though most of the FRBs are discovered from the other galaxies, but in 2020, it did receive one from the Milky Way. The Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Experiment, aka CHIME, which is a large stationary radio telescope in British Columbia, has increased the probability of finding these fast radio bursts by about 4 times. But initially, it was not built for this purpose. It was made to study the history of expansion of the hydrogen atoms in space, or in other words, to map the hydrogen atoms across the universe. Not only that, its sensitivity to track almost all the known pulsars in the northern celestial hemisphere allows it to detect radio waves from deep within the universe. You would be amazed to know that according to the director of the McGill Space Institute, Victoria Caspi, around 1,000 bursts are going off each day, but of course, our telescopes cannot see the entire sky at once, as only a small portion of the sky is visible to a telescope, so it can only point out a limited number of bursts. It has discovered up to 535 new fast radio bursts in just 1 year of its operation, and we are not surprised that it has made yet another amazing discovery, which can change the way we look at our universe. Some scientists from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology discovered mysterious pulsing waves which repeated themselves in a rather periodic manner, which means that the FBRs detected are not random. They consider it a lifelike metaphor with bursts repeating every 0.2 seconds, so scientists compared it to a heartbeat. Like the video so far? Then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as a little action from you can help our channel grow tremendously. Now let's get back to the video. On December 21st, 2019, Daniel Micheli, a postdoctoral candidate at MIT, discovered something unusual. He noticed some periodic peaks which were emitting at every fraction of a second, just like the heartbeat, and were also very precise. Now, what made these FRBs special and different as compared to others? Well, to everyone's surprise, these FRBs lasted the longest, along with the clearest periodic pattern. These FBRs lasted for 3 seconds, which is almost 1,000 times longer as compared to the previous FBRs. It shocked Daniel the most and led him to study these FBRs in detail. The signal itself was periodic, as if someone was trying to send a message, but other astronomers have something else to say, as there are not many things in the world which emit periodic signals, but a neutron star can do that. Now you must be wondering, what is a neutron star, and why is it related to FBR? Well, 2 giant stars collapse to form rapidly spinning and extremely dense masses called neutron stars, and some of the examples of neutron stars emitting such periodic signals are radio pulsars or even magnetars. Now, this discovery of periodic FBRs can let us know more about our universe and the biggest secrets it's hiding. Well, do you think that the periodic waves captured by the chime are actually a sign from any other planet? Do they want to communicate? Or is it just a signal from a neutron star, as many scientists have proposed? Let me know in the comments section. With that being said, it's time for us to say goodbye. But don't be sad, as I will be back with another amazing video soon. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon so you don't miss any update from my channel. See you all soon. Thanks for watching.